Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachus and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. Today is the first time we see our program. For here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Our former referee, wey they call Dermot Gallagher, don't come as I can't defend Mike Dean for not sending out Ben Godfrey for that match wey Arsenal play against Everton. You know, say Ben Godfrey use installed take hits Tomiyasu for face, so the thing can bring out blood for him face. So the arguments we say, they say Ben Godfrey they look away when he do that thing, so they deliberate. But at the same time, don't be about the deliberateness. Now we argue on. They argue say in the endanger the what if to say go come on the guy say they no go give a card, no yellow, no red, nothing. Even those waiting for VAR, they supposed to tell Mike Dean, because Mike Dean no see wetin up. They supposed to tell Mike Dean, say go and look at the pitch monitor, go and look at it and know wetin really up. But they no come tell am make him go check am. That is why a lot of people they clamor for social media say e be like say these referees they don't know wetin they do, so people no really happy with the way they take judge that situation. Away from that, even another former referee wey they call Keith Hackett come outside, come dey express him own shock, saying they flabbergasted. So why Mike Dean no go give that guy card, at least a yellow or a red? Now come dey see better referee. Now which one be say the team no dey deliberate that for that reason they no go give am card, they no go give am anything? Who does that? So Keith Hackett come dey talk say they're supposed to give the guy na red card offence be that, say deliberate or not. Say that one na subject to another investigation. Supposed to check the thing very well. Say many times players they can't referee, players go look away, do bad thing, or even they smile with you, they do bad thing, you don't go know. So you're supposed to catch the guy because the thing affect the guy now. Okay, what if you say come out the eye, or you come out in teeth, or you just tear his skin, you just say no go give a card, not even a yellow. No, that's not acceptable. So myself agbadu wetin Keith Hackett dey talk, so wetin Gallagher Dermot I no understand wetin that one dey talk. At the same time, David Seaman don't come outside, come they express your own shock for the way Aubameyang come they play. So you can advise Auba, say okay, Baba, the best thing we go do now is to go for training. Make you train harder, train more on your finishing, because if you train more, then you will see more results, you will get more confidence, because the guy don't lose confidence. As in, no atom of confidence remain, everything don't finish. So they advise I mean go do training, play on the finishing. At age 32. Still they find confidence, still they find training on finishing. You will be saying the boss net we did complete highest goal scorer all those years with Harry Kane, then with Salah, them. Nah, you don't feel do that level again. The thing what we fail to understand me say every good thing has an end. That is just you don't feel argue am. You get what goes up must come down. A normal level, na nature, na science. So you don't feel expect Aubameyang look at the boss net, the way the boss net will first buy and when they from Dortmund, when the boss net like mad. You know, if they bust them like that forever and ever, now one day you go shy, and that one day don't come now. Someone could face reality, and thank God January they close by. So before you know, we enter January, even if now on load, don't go get striker, I beg. On my lot of us, they're concerned about Gabriel Martinelli because the guy limp off for the game where Arsenal play against Everton. So can't they worried? So what's it really they saw? May they give us injury updates about the guy. Even some physios come outside talk say the team fit be hamstring, but they never really know, so they go assess am. Even for media setting, Ateta come outside talk say the guys assess the guy, know whether he get injury, I mean whether na just minor cramps. But if he get injury, we dey expect the guy to stay like 2 weeks out. And this guy now we say don't they get the ball at his feet, so don't they prove everybody saying they fit, don't they play very well. Injury will just come again. Now wow. Andy Townsend, they be one of our pundits, don't come outside on the talk say anytime we Arsenal they play with Aubameyang, say they always be like say Arsenal they play 10 man, like them be short one, because the guy know they improve the team, know they play very well. When they pressing down, they press well, they score, no assist, nothing, no presence up there you get. So it's just good when they just use maybe Nketiah or Balogun instead of them they use Aubameyang, because the guy is finished. Like everybody just they talk bad about this guy. Me, I no go lie for now. I feel bad about Aubameyang because this guy was once our hero. Like we talk all as our legend, so we even build statue for him. You know, once upon a time we beg this guy to sign contract with us. All of a sudden, after he just get the lengthy contract, we then give him better money. The guy just fall like a pack of cards. It's very unfortunate. One of our mandatory spirit they call La Republic and don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they expected to meet Kulusevski agents next week to finalize Kulusevski deal ahead of January. So we're happy for this move. Well, make them no waste time, make them do it because it's be today's day. Then January, how many weeks remain now? Before you know January 1 don't reach. Then we go finalize the deals early, no wasting time at all. 1 January 1 just reach, baby, just call them, wire the money, give them, collect the guy. If now what you need, if you don't know what you need to move forward, collect the guy, no waste time. I might even get one report so they fly all around social media. They talk say Aubameyang they face one of the lengthiest spell when they score goal, and this one only greater than 2014 when he did for Dortmund when no score, because now he don't go like 6 games without scoring one single goal. I must say they very bad for the guy. They never faced this kind of thing before. This is like the first time it's happening to him. We don't go like 6 games as a striker, as a 9, no bust net. We almost cut the guy some slack. See Lukaku wey dem buy from Inter Milan with the bust net week in week out. He don't come Chelsea, he don't turn flop, they score. But the reason why many people know they talk about Lukaku now because the team still fly high, they still play very well, they still score without him. That's why the focus, the attention no dey on Lukaku. So that's what it just be. If to say Arsenal still score, other people say they score. Say Aubameyang no dey score, people no go too reason the matter. But because now he dey score most of our goals, so if he no score, he go show. Everybody go know say wetin dey sup with this team now. So now wetin dey happen with that. When even Odegaard sef don come outside from media settings when they slam the team's performance, Odegaard come talk say they're supposed to do better, say they no play well the way they're supposed to play. And another thing is say in they feel say this thing na mindset, something like maybe a psychological problem, because if they don't take the lead, they want to fear say maybe they no go, maybe they no lose, maybe the opponent no go score, they can't go win the game. They fear to lose. You get. So if you don't score 1-0, the next thing na to make sure say you score like 2-0 to protect your 1-0 lead. Don't be just go defense. If you check against that Everton match, you go see say after they score 1, you come like see them comot their leg for the gas. They can't go defense. After Everton come equalize, they can't comot their leg for the defense. Can't push all out attack. Why you not push all out attack that way they score 1-0? Because as they score 1-0, you can't go defense. You can't allow Everton to play their game. And don't forget it, then they for home with the fans for their back. Fans are the 12th man and the fans can't dey there. Everything will come there at their own favor. But if to say as they come all out, when I said they go all out, end to end stuff, man, now for just knock more goals. So now we say Baba they talk, say maybe a psychological problem, but they will still assess them, talk to themselves for their setting. Let them know say more, we guys they play better, we guys play better for this our sweet club. Even for media settings, they call they ask Mikel Arteta about Martinelli injury. So what they sup now? So they notice that the guy limp off. So they come talk say how he go be now. So Baba come talk say well, it don't happen. Say it don't happen. What they go do say you don't know whether a lengthy injury, I been a short injury, but the physios they go assess the guy so that they go fit tell them what thing they happen with the guy. Whether they will get another person who will replace him, I mean they will still get hope saying he will come back. Well, this one another opportunity now for Pepe self to join the mix. Pepe self play small, but we don't know why Pepe dey out. Even though some rumor around town they talk say for Pepe contract say dem get performance bonus. You get say he get a number of games say he go play. Arsenal go pay more money to Lille. So maybe that's why Arteta no wan really play the guy. Well, I never really everything na rumor sha. Jamie Carragher sef don come outside come dey assess Arsenal game against Everton. So Baba come talk say well, it don't happen. He say it don't happen. Arsenal don't lose, say they don't go back, and now lose will be say in the future they remember all this kind of loss. So they lost like 3 consecutive away games. It will affect their top 4 finish. They will regret that. So, but if they win their next home games now, before you know now, they don't come back to the top 4, they fight for this. So depending on what other people say play. Don't forget, once upon a time, Man U said they for down. Tottenham was for the down. Now everybody don't overtake Arsenal. So that's what it just be. Arsenal can still overtake them. Say game never to go that far like that. So well, it's gonna give us hope, sha. Well, no wahala now. No, the watch has simple turn out. And when Gary Neville said don't come outside, call the talk. Say the way Arteta take drop Aubameyang, say Aubameyang no go like him. And this Aubameyang name be the captain. The two of them, their relationship now if you don't turn like this because the way Aubameyang they play, they play well for the team. And if Kens not take it, all this they play well for the team. If he make them sack Mikel Arteta, so Arteta gas to drop the guy. And Arteta self, they listen to public opinion. You as a coach, you're supposed to know what you do now. So we listen people talk, but say if me I talk say okay, Baba start in case I go start in case or I say say public opinion sometimes. The guys leave and leave pundits. Do your own thing. You get. It will be sure for you. you know say wetin dey do, you know wetin dey do am. No be people don talk say drop her over, you go drop her because everybody say drop her. People call it drop Nketiah, drop Lacazette, you go drop them because everybody say they drop. But why don't we say that they do things so? On my mandatory spirit, they let us know say Pepe go assess in situation for Arsenal to know whether he get choice of playing. Then if he no get choice of playing, then for January he go look how he go take find greener pastures. He go tell him agents make dem find scam. No any club wey go dey interested in signing him, then he go join them because the way the guy did for Arsenal now, they don't like say this surplus to requirements. It's not play much, so the guy go gas check where he go play now. Aaron Ramsey don come outside dey reveal wetin he do when he join Arsenal, how he take lock in social media. Say Baba talk say when he join Arsenal, you know say plenty people when they talk things about am, say he no good, he don go relegation 2 times, this one that one, they come dey curse am, insult am, they no dey good enough for Arsenal. So wetin he come do be say as he enter, he come shut down comments for his social media. At the same time, he come close down tag, like if you no be a friend, you no fit tag am for any post. So that even if you tag am, you no go see am. You get say friends and family dey like somebody dey insult you, they tell you say really they insulting me because he no dey see am and he no wan see am because he no even care. You get because you know say in this age 23 now, so all those top keepers wey dey play now when they dey for im age, dem perform very well like that. At the same time, na different experiences with different clubs. No go compare the pedigree of those clubs with Arsenal. No go compare the defensive might of Arsenal with those clubs. So now what people fail to understand that he was playing for clubs wey dey struggle, clubs wey be say if dem play against anything, they dey face 1 million shots per match. So now wetin just sup be that. So Baba just clarify the air, let everybody know wetin he do when he join Arsenal. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.